Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Notifications. Now click on App Settings at the top and click on Most Recent. Following that, tap on the best option for you. I will go with All Apps. Now click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications. I will go with Calendar, so now when I click, all notifications from this app are now blocked. You can always unblock them by clicking on the same switcher. If you want to, you can click on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications by selecting this switcher next to all calendar notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!